All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500, this beautiful white with black vinyl interior, power windows, power locks. It's got 17,000 miles, I believe. That's right, 17,000 miles, 1500. Super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Front driver's steel wheel. Tire that is over 830 seconds. I know you see this here, but I did order this piece as a back order, so I will have it in the next week or two. So just letting everybody here know it'll be on. Do have a dent down here on the bottom of the door here, still 10 or more, obviously. Other than that, we look pretty good. A little chippy there, and another couple of little dings there. But the truck looks pretty good all around. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire tread back here is like 10-30 seconds. All right, now we also have this front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. You got power windows, power door locks. Let me jump into this trunk. Turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with the 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM stereo system right here. Got your AC controls right down below. You got some cup holders here as well. Boom, boom. Did I say 1 key? This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on, and he issues your mileage of 17,406. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. I'll leave it on with the lights. Did the lights turn on? All right. Hey, rear bumper looks good. Doors here look good. Does have a dent up here. Boom. As you can see, it's 3, 6, about 8 inches right up there. All right. Other than that, these doors look pretty decent. They do swing out all the way. Boom. This is what one of your doors looks like. Normally these things are beat up, but it looks good. All right. This is what it looks like from the trunk space. Looks very nice. Your cargo area. These things look good. Normally they're all beat up. They look good. Here's what the other door looks like. That one looks pretty nice. All right. This fender here looks good. This quarter. This is your rear passenger side steel wheel. Your tire thread here is at 10-30 seconds. We look good. We got a little dingy there. That's about it. Thank you. This is your side cargo area. What that looks like looks pretty nice. All right. Here we look pretty good. This is what your front passenger seat looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Looks good. That's about it, guys. Fender looks good. Front passenger steel wheel looks good. Tire thread over 830 seconds. Lights are working. Lights on top are working. Let's check out your roof. Let's see if we got any damages up here. Thank you. We look pretty damn good. Yeah, this looks like a little scuffing, but this is nothing really. This could be cleaned off. Alright. Let's check out. Let's check out this side over here. As you can see, wanted to check out this dent a little closer. Alright, and there it is. Really 3, 6, about 6, 7 inches as the crow flies from here to here. Alright, guys. Pretty much it. Yeah, pretty much it. Yep. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is a 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 17,000 miles. If you have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.